So Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good days to other viewers. And today we have a tutorial about some music, but not music, DIY tutorial for all of you guys. And if you notice, some of the guitar cannot attach some string to hang into or onto our shoulders, right? And that give problem to us when we want to play the guitar, which means if you want to play the guitar like this, you don't have any string or straps like a bag, so the guitar will fall down. So in today's video I will show you how to do the guitar string, because if you see down here there's nothing to attach the string, and we will do this DIY, and I hope it will works and help you guys out. We'll see you in the progress. Okay, and then we will draw some things and we'll see you there. Okay, there's nothing here to hang. Okay, it's a clean guitar. So I want to make some string to this guitar, so we cannot attach string because below also like this, no attached strings. So let's done it. First you take this paper, then you draw 5 cm, okay, 5 cm, then 2.5 cm here, and you draw a line again. Okay, so you will get drawing like this. Okay, so we will make this 3 times 3, which is 9 pieces. Okay, 9 pieces. Okay, we done draw the 9 pieces including this. Next we will cut all of these pieces and we'll see you there. Okay, we have done cut this piece of 9. So next you arrange it like this. Okay, arrange it like this and just take 2 this downwards and 2 this downwards and this one in the middle. Okay, we will cut a little bit way up. We will cut off 0.4 cm. Okay, and remember, if you want to measure it from below. Okay, measure it from below to up, so that all of this will be aligned. After I'll draw the lines, we'll see you there. Okay, we have done the lines. So this is the normal one. Okay, not this. This is the normal one, and this is a normal one, and this is abnormal one. And after this, we'll cut the space, and we'll see you there. Done. So all of this I have done. So the next step, we will glue using 3-second gum. First choose the base, then gum all of it. We'll see you there. So my hot glue gum already 3-second gum already finished. There's only one left and we'll use this one. Okay, the process is quite simple. Okay, this one will paste on this one, this one will paste on this one, and this one, and this one will paste on this one, and the last one will paste on top of this one. Okay, just as simple as that. Oh, before that, my key is already broken. It's like this. Okay, it should be like this, but later we'll paste it, and then we'll paste all this one, and we'll see you there. The first part. Okay, so the next part we will paste. This is the first part, already hardened, so the two have fused together, and next we will paste this on top of this. Okay, we'll see you there. Let us draw first the line as guide for us, and as usual 0.4 cm. Okay, like this. Then we will paste the head. Okay, where is the head? The head is this one, and for this particular part the head is this one. Okay, after we paste, we'll see you there. Okay, it's not so perfect, but if you can see, okay, I paste this part and his head. Okay, we'll paste all this part and then we'll see you there. Okay, so we already done. Okay, there's 2 part left, the last part, and we have done this base one. If you see, there's the shape. Okay, this is the shape, and the reason I don't want to touch it because it's still wet with this 3-second glue, and it is hurt me when I want to take it off. So after I paste this one, paste it up, fuse it up, and then paste on top of this, we'll see you there. You're done, almost done this part, you see, and this is the last part, and I will paste it by using 3-second gum on top of this last part, okay, and we'll see you there. And I guess that's all. We have done this project, and before we end this project, I want to remind we must strengthen with this 3-second glue. Apply the 3-second glue on all of edges of these tiny pieces, and after that we'll see you there and test this one out, okay. So do you guys see also the shiny surface, and that is the glue, and if it hits our hand, it is hardly to remove it, and if you remove it, it will cause pain. So take precaution, okay, take some glove or what, or use some calipers or some scissors to protect your hand from getting in touch with the 3-second gum, okay, deadliest gum. After finish, we'll see you there, promise. Okay, finally we have done this piece. Later we'll try apply on our guitar, okay. Okay, so I didn't know how it will went on because this is my first time on doing this one, and I have no reference, just on my own idea, and we'll test it out. So it not fit, I will try to fit it with both of my hands. So I guess we must cut a little bit, okay, this part, cut a little bit so that the gap are more larger than before. So finally it's fit on this guitar, okay, it fit, and later we put on some rope, then it's finished. If you see the shape, it's like this, okay. Okay, I put rope and we'll see you there. And finally it is done and ready to be used, okay. Nice. Okay, so that's all for the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is beneficial for every viewers. So if you have any condemn or any argument or anything you want to ask or anything you want to condemn, comment in this video, just comment up in the comment section below. I will try to follow up each all the comment and try to refix myself in the future. And before that, as the guitar is here, let me sing a song to you, and I hope it will entertain you and it will entertain you today. For that, we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.
Memang selalu juga kita terasa lalai, tapi kena ingat bila benda alami syadai. Kau harus kuat daripada tekun besi, kerana kau dan yang sebenar datangnya daripada hati. Ada sesuatu yang perlu kalian tahu, orang yang berguna adalah orang yang banyak ilmu. So study hard and pergilah masuk you, dah berjaya nanti, jangan lupakan aku.